Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so for Solana, you can see that where we had a long time pressure to the downside, and actually, it's been a really long time. I didn't do any update on Solana. Let me remove some levels here. As you can see, yeah, a lot of stuff. Okay, so now short term, we do have two touching point here, even more maybe. Use it 3 or 4. Let's go and check out. So we have one here, almost one here. Actually, here I should adjust a little bit more. Not that it really makes, that it really change something. So 1, 2, almost 3. This is 4. Anyway, 3. And so this is start to be now a strong downtrend resistance. You can see that today as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and for perhaps as well Solana, well, they're all having a moment to the upside today. Now, is this downtrend finished? Is the momentum shifting? Well, I just want to focus just on a short term and see some positive points. We are about maybe, or we just did it. I don't know. Let me double check here. Okay, so we are attempting for a moment to successfully to break down from this short-term downtrend since the 10th of November. So that's done. Check. Now the bigger test is this bigger downtrend here, and it's going to be as well, if we continue like this, a strong resistance. I could actually draw a box here and say, let me see, to be fair, yeah, something like that. This is going to be, let me put it in dark blue. This is going to be a strong resistance now, a strong resistance block. Actually, it could be a little bit lower, to be fair. So when Solana is going to enter this block, I am expecting a little bit of resistance. Now, the great thing would be that it goes in and it goes on the side and make a side consolidation, and then after that it can break out. So this, I mean, it could span, I don't want to say the whole week, but a good chunk of this week to do that. So we will see. Beside that, nothing else to point out. If I zoom out again on the 12 hours maybe, yeah, so I am saying wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, but now this wave 4 is way too low. So now this could be perhaps just an A, a BC for a bigger wave A in red. This is a potential B wave, and after that we can have a C wave to the upside. I see it like that for a moment. If there is something else, then I'm glad to change it. There is also this other possibility that, in fact, I counted 5 way up, but if you just zoom out, you could say, honestly, we could say this is an A, a B, and a C for the wave 1. This was a wave 2. Would it be wrong to maybe point out that this could have been just the A, and actually I did find 5 way up, but if you zoom out, you could say also this was an A, this is the B, this is the C, and this was our A wave here. And so now this could be just our B wave in red, and the next movement, that's going to be our third wave in light green. And this is how we could reach indeed $285 to $314. So this is, I have different counts, as you can see, but now I'm really sticking more and emphasizing on this A, B, and working onto this C wave. So C wave, once again, 5 way up. So I'm going to pay attention now if it starts to give us any sign, short term time frame, maybe 15 or 30 minutes, if I can find a 5-way up, this would be one first hint. If you can do that and breaking the downtrend line, then it would be great. The first thing that I'm going to look is going to be the resistance level from the last impulsive movement to the downside. So this is going to be, I think that's good. If it goes higher than 151.30, I will start to be more bullish, not only because it's breaking out from the downtrend, but also because it's going way, way higher than the normal resistance would impact the price. Now, it's no secret that the bigger resistance would be calculating all this movement here. I'm going to put it in yellow so it's not everybody in the same color, and possibly even add a layer here. So to me, if we're able to go higher than $216 or $217 to round it up, to me this it must be doing something like so. We need a wave A, we need a wave 1, we need a wave 2, and we need a third wave that really, a third wave that stops here wouldn't do it, right? It wouldn't be enough, right, for a third wave. So really need to go and really go near the 216 and perhaps even go higher and maybe touching up or acting as a resistance this previous stop or this all-time high near, right? So this would be a nice decent third wave that I would love to have, and then after that we could hope for a fourth and a fifth. But definitely, yeah, this is if we want to see Solana making a new all-time high, this is what it has to do, honestly. I think here I don't remember what was this time. I'm going to readjust here for the all-time high. So 292 is the all-time high to beat. This is crazy, but that's more 100% gain, right? So there is a lot of work to do on Solana. Also, let me go back on a daily chart. So you can see we were a little bit oversold, and people start to buy back at this level. We shall see soon if they were right. Did they buy the dip here, or price is going to get rejected and go a little bit lower? You still can do that. Don't know what did I do now. Yeah, so otherwise $119 is my next level, and after that 107, 108. I honestly don't believe we are going to go that lower because people are going to jump on this $119 deal, but we shall see. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!